We've all seen the headlines about major infrastructure projects like roads, railways, bridges, tunnels and hydro dams facing delays, cost blowouts, often by millions or billions of dollars. The odds of completing large-scale, capital-intensive projects within budget and on time are no better than a coin toss. Why do these projects so frequently go over budget and timelines? In fact, many fail to deliver the benefits they promised. Australia's track record in delivering major infrastructure projects cost-effectively and efficiently is, frankly, not great. That affects all taxpayers. That's you and me.
Research identifies several causes for this problem: poor project scope definition, unforeseen ground conditions, hasty project announcements without adequate feasibility studies, unhealthy political influence, and suboptimal risk allocation.
Governments often tend to favour the use of lump sum contracts based on competitive tendering to choose the contractors.
They hope these contracts transfer the cost and schedule risks to contractors, but in reality, little risk is passed on. When this approach is used on complex infrastructure with many risks, the results are often predictably undesirable.
A heavy focus on price competition, while seemingly beneficial for clients, can have adverse consequences on project outcomes. Contractors want the job, so they will often submit low bids to secure the project.
In effect, contractors compete on their willingness to accept unquantifiable risk, rather than on positive differentiators such as productivity, innovation, and positive social and environmental outcomes. This means projects may start with an attractive low price, but the next thing you know, the project is not delivered anywhere near on time or within budget.
So when we read of another major project experiencing cost and schedule blowouts, legal disputes between clients and contractors, or hear of the collapse of another construction company, it is the sound of an industry structured to poorly perform.
The good news is, this can be turned around. By rethinking the way major projects are delivered, we have one of the most significant opportunities for maximising value in infrastructure spending. The contracting strategy should be designed to create environments that increase collaboration, align commercial drivers of key parties, and allocate risk in a fair, reasonable, and smart manner to encourage the right outcomes for everyone.
In 2020, Major Road Projects Victoria adopted the Program Delivery Approach, PDA, a programmatic model of project delivery that combines relationship procurement principles with design-build contracting, supported by an incentivised target cost regime. It moves away from the narrow focus on price as the predominant measure of value for money.
Major infrastructure researchers at Deakin University examined whether the PDA creates an environment able to optimise project delivery performance and maximise value for money. The findings are promising. The PDA model is less adversarial and more collaborative. It supports better risk allocation and aligns the key drivers for all. This should enhance cost and schedule outcomes and provide a better opportunity to maximise value for money and project benefits.
The PDA model better utilises the latent capacity within the construction market and provides a better environment for implementing state policies related to the social, economic and environmental impacts of capital spending.
For detailed insights into the PDA model, its effectiveness, and the findings of our research, see the full report at megaprojects.deakin.edu.au.